It's been nearly 1 year since an earthquake struck off the coast of Japan, setting off a tsunami and sending shockwaves around the world. But the disaster has now become a learning tool for other coastal regions threatened by similar scenarios. Kylie Stanton has that story.
Water rushes in, crashing on land. A force so strong, cars and homes are left floating in its wake. The images captured 1 year ago also captured the world's attention.
You can see that damage there. Subways, trains, Tokyo's airports all shut down.
But the earthquake that struck halfway around the world, causing this damage, has been documented here.
You have what we call sort of an old-fashioned paper record of the earthquake.
What's become an invaluable source of information.
This is the best recorded earthquake in history. Thousands of seismograms were gained from this earthquake, and so from those we can really micro-analyze the event and learn a lot from it, and then apply what we learned to our region.
If a similar disaster were to occur off the west coast of British Columbia, this is what would likely happen. Simulations released in 2009 show waves reaching 3 meters in height, hitting land every second, wrapping around the southern tip of Vancouver Island and continuing on towards the mainland. Here it shows the impact on Victoria's inner harbor. But what you don't see is just how far inland the waves propagate. Now science is moving in that direction.
We are working to develop the first probabilistic tsunami hazard map for the whole country, and so that'll hopefully help coastal communities develop their plans.
What we have here is our emergency preparedness supplies kit.
Getting prepared starts with this, a simple box stocked and readily available.
A Pulaski, a crowbar, rope.
All supplies that could mean the difference between life and death. Something this disaster expert found to be the case while in Japan after the quake.
What really struck us was that the education and the awareness of the Japanese people was so critical in saving lives.
But tens of thousands of lives were lost when the ground shook and the waves came in. And knowing the same thing could happen here has become a wake-up call.